Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone Mobile on Android. First, confirm your Android device meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Next, head over to the Google Play Store and download the official Call of Duty Warzone mobile application. A stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is crucial for downloading game assets and enjoying lag-free gameplay. Make sure you have sufficient storage space available before starting the download. Once downloaded, install the game and grant any required permissions for it to function correctly on your device. You'll then need to create or log into your Activision account. This is essential for saving your progress and accessing online features. After logging in, complete the brief in-game tutorial. This will introduce you to the core controls, movement, and combat mechanics, preparing you for your first Battle Royale match. To enhance your gameplay, dive into the Settings menu. Adjust the graphics to find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates, which is key for competitive play. Experiment with customizing your control layout to suit your personal preference, ensuring quick and accurate actions. Using a good pair of headphones will give you a significant advantage, allowing you to hear crucial audio cues like enemy footsteps and distant gunfire. To truly master Warzone Mobile, consistently practice in various game modes. This helps you learn map layouts, weapon recoil, and overall combat strategies. Playing with friends significantly enhances the experience, allowing for better team coordination and communication, which are vital for securing victories. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your gaming setup and smart home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.